So we've talked about the problem, now let's talk about the solution. The first thing to understand is your maintenance calorie requirement. In short, maintenance calories are the calories required to maintain your weight. And how do you do that? Just go to the internet and search for a calorie calculator. It will help you in calculating your maintenance calories without any hassles. Once you've understood the maintenance calorie requirement, try and understand your eating pattern and see how many proteins, carbs and fats you consume in every meal. Once you've figured the macronutrient composition, try and bring it to 50% carbs, 30% fats and 20% proteins. Keep in mind the fact that this calculation can be a rough estimate and it will work. Secondly, replace junk food items which primarily consist of simple carbs with complex carbs. Replace refined flour, desserts and processed foods with whole wheat flour, brown rice, fruits, vegetables, oats and even dalia. These food items are full of fiber, they take time to digest and they keep you fuller for a long time. Even if you don't want to follow these 2 points I just explained, try and follow some diet and nutrition rules I'll explain right now. The first rule is to minimize the intake of refined flour or maida. This is because maida does not have any fiber in it and it is linked to obesity and heart diseases. Also, most of the junk food items are made with maida, so it is better to stay away from it. The second rule is to minimize the intake of sugary foods like pastries, biscuits, ice creams and sugary drinks, which are all your processed juices and cold drinks. The reason behind this is that these food items contain a form of sugar called HFCS or high fructose corn syrup, which is way more harmful than the sugar you consume at home. The third rule is to minimize the intake of oily, greasy foods because they are very high in calories, very low in fiber and they directly impact your heart, leading to obesity and heart diseases. And the fourth rule is to focus on eating whole foods like fruits, vegetables in the form of salad and whole grains like brown rice, and try and balance the meal with 50% carbs, 30% fats and 20% proteins. So I hope you guys will implement some of this theory in your lives and make better diet and food choices.